Hey everybody, so I got a new record player to show you here today, and this one is pretty nice. You got two 20-watt speakers, and it will work on a computer. You could do Bluetooth, you could do your vinyl records, pretty much everything on this one. Now the company did reach out and they asked me if I was interested, and since my girlfriend is huge on vinyl, I decided I would go ahead and get it and give it a try. All right, so the assembly is quite easy. I will show you a little bit of the close-ups and explain a little bit. The other thing that I mentioned, that you can connect it to a computer, which is quite cool. Now I'm not going to show all of that because I don't have everything ready for it yet, but you can connect this cord to it, to a computer, and you can record on your computer off of your vinyl. So if you want to get recordings from your records, you could do that with the computer. And it also comes with RCAs for the output. Now you have the option, you can do line or phono, you can do an amplifier if you like. You don't need an amplifier to use this one though. On the back side, it does have a speed setting for you could do from 33, or you could do 33s or 45s. There's a switch for your line and your phono, and you could do your auto stop for on and off, and then you got your pitch. It has just a DC connection for powering it. And then you have your two outputs for your speakers, and then you got your switch for your on and off. Pretty simple to work it. Doesn't really take much back there to set it up. And this one does have a hinge lid. You'll have to put that on, but it just snaps right on the bars. You just pop them in the holes back there, and that's it. Now I didn't show the assembly, but it is pretty easy. Pretty much you're just gonna put the belt on, put the plate down. It does have this little felt pad that you can use. Now I'm still learning a little bit about the record players. I always just played them. I never really knew much about them, but it does have the counterweight as well. I'm gonna go ahead and move the needle just so I can show these here. I do have it off right now, and this is another off switch or knob. You could do your minimum and your maximum for your on-off, your volume as well. And then you got another knob here that's going to be your phono, so your records. And then you got Bluetooth in and Bluetooth out. So you can actually, do Bluetooth and send these to speakers. Or you can have like your phone connected to this, and you can play music off your phone on a record player. So it's pretty cool. And then for those who are not familiar with record players, you're looking to get one, you haven't used one, they're simple to use. I do have a couple different records here, and you're just going to put it on. You're going to turn it on. I'm going to keep the volume a little bit low, but you're just going to take the needle, and once you pull it up, it's going to start spinning. And right now I do have it on 33, and then you're just going to place it pretty much wherever you want to place it on there. You're going to get different songs in different places. It's very old school. But it has pretty good sound. It's got that old-fashioned sound to it. And then when you want to stop it or just switch it, you just pop that up and it will automatically stop spinning. Now I try to be careful with just copyright and playing certain things, so I'm mostly trying to do like instrumental to give you an idea of the sound. And you could have this closed as well while you're playing your music if you like. Anyway, that's my quick demonstration of the record player. Hopefully that gives you a good idea what to expect with this one. If people are interested, I will do some follow-ups with it. I can do some of the Bluetooth settings or the computer settings once I get some of that set up and everything, if people are interested in anyway. But anyway, this one works great. I definitely recommend it. I'll put a link down below to their direct website. They are not on Amazon or anything like that I've seen. But if you want to get one from their direct website, I'll put a link down below. Anyway, really nice record player. Thank you for watching.